Does your ukulele sound like this? If so, then you probably need to tune it. Hi there, my name is Kelly, and in this video, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can tune your ukulele. The most important thing to understanding tuning is that each string is tuned to a specific pitch or note. Those notes are G, C, E, A. In this case, the strings are very out of tune, so those weren't exactly the right pitches. When you count the strings on the ukulele, you start from the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, but I usually start with the 4th string when I tune, and that's what I'm gonna do today. The first way we're gonna tune the ukulele is to use an app called Yousician. You can also get GuitarTuna, it's the same company, and that app is available for the iPhone and the iPad. We're gonna start with the top string here, G, and when I play the string here, it's showing a red line to the left of center, which means it is flat or low in pitch. So what I'm gonna do is go to the string that controls, I'm gonna go to the knob that controls that string, and I'm gonna start turning counterclockwise, which is higher. And as we can see, it's getting closer to the center line. And then there it says it's in tune. Now that one's in tune, we're gonna go to the next one down. This would be C. Same situation here where it's to the left, it's flat. So I'm gonna start tuning counterclockwise. It's gonna go higher. So it gets to the center line there. Now it's in tune. And then we go to the E string. So it appears that all the strings on this ukulele are flat. Now if we want to go higher on the E and the A strings, we have to turn clockwise. It's the opposite direction as the top 2. I'm going to start going clockwise here and go higher. That one's good. And then the last string here on the bottom is an A. That one has to go up as well. We're going clockwise. And that's in tune. The second way we're going to learn to tune is to use a Snark Clip-on tuner. Clips onto the end of the headstock like this. Just clip it on there, make sure it's secure. And you turn it on with this button on the front here. This is going to just detect the closest pitch that the string is tuned to. And now if I play this top string G here, it says that it's an F sharp, which is not good because we want this to be a G. This requires you to know a little bit of music theory or musical alphabet knowledge, and F sharp is 1 note lower than G in the alphabet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start turning counterclockwise, making it higher until this reaches G. And what I'm looking for is this red to go to the center here and turn green. So if it's red, it means it's flat. If it's green, it's good, obviously. And if you go too high, sharp, then we are yellow. So I'm gonna back this down until it's green. Okay, that is looking pretty good here. Now the next string we want is a C. Let's take a look here. It's pretty flat. Start turning counterclockwise until it reaches the center. It's good. Next one should be an E. This one's also pretty flat. Now we gotta go clockwise in the bottom, it's the opposite. And I like to just keep playing the string over and over again. For some reason, if that doesn't work for you, you can just play it once and let it resonate. That might work better. And then the last string here should be an A, and that one's already in tune. The last way I'm going to show you how to tune today, and certainly the most difficult, is to use a piano or a keyboard as a reference. What you do is you use the notes on the keyboard or piano as reference notes, and then you use your ear to compare the notes, and you decide whether or not you have to go higher or lower. So if you were to play the strings of the ukulele from top down like this, the way they would match up on the keyboard is you'd play G above middle C, and then C, middle C, and then E, and then the A right above that G. Now the tricky thing here is that you have to use your ear. You have to be able to hear whether your ukulele is in tune or out of tune, and whether the string is too low or too high, and raise the pitch accordingly. So for example, if I tune this one down to low, this G here, and then I go and play the G and compare them, I would have to know that I need to go higher. And compare those notes and match them to the best of my ability. Now the A sounds a little flat to me. That's a little better. Thanks for watching this video. I hope that it helped you to tune your ukulele. If your ukulele is really out of tune and you just can't get it in tune, you'll probably need help from somebody that can do that for you. Have a good day, everyone.